Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we are diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 5th of May, 2025, our system has identified SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of -3.13. Let's examine the ETF's performance during this time. Interestingly, the ETF has outperformed our system's predictions, achieving a gain of 1.76%. This equates to an average return of 0.59% per day since it was designated as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund has broken through a very wide and declining short-term trend. Initially, a slower rate of decline is suggested, which could indicate an early signal of a trend shift. Following this reaction, there will be support at the ceiling of the current trend, which is $12.27. This level could provide a second opportunity for significant gains. According to fan theory, $23.07 may be the next possible peak level, presenting a resistance level that might not be surpassed on the first attempt. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of 62.32% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -95.79% to -65.17%. Examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis indicates a projected change of -53.69%. Based on our calculations, the stock's performance could vary between -100% and 21.82% over the next year. In practical terms, this would place the future price somewhere between $0 and $16.18. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, "On Wednesday, SOXL ETF price gained an impressive 5.31%. The SOXL ETF price rose by 5.31% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 7th of May, 2025. This increase brought the price from $12.61 to $13.28. During the last trading day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 9.53%, with a low of $12.23 and a high of $13.40. The price has been quite volatile during this period, showing a total gain of 29.06% over the past 2 weeks. Notably, trading volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with 37 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 183 million shares were exchanged for approximately $2.43 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the ETF reached a highest price of $70.08 and a lowest price of $7.23. Currently, the price stands at 81.05%, or $56.80. Below the 52-week high, and 96.49%, or $364.96, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price peaked at $378.24. In recent weeks, the Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange Traded Fund, known as SOXL, has garnered attention as one of the best-performing leveraged exchange-traded funds. The semiconductor sector is benefiting from a rebound in technology stocks, driven by easing tariff fears and a growing appetite among investors for leveraged positions as they speculate on short-term gains. Positive developments include Taiwan's collaboration with the United States regarding the semiconductor industry, alleviating some trade war tensions. This collaboration could enhance investor sentiment and stability within the sector. The overall market's volatility has led many to embrace leveraged exchange-traded funds like SOXL, highlighting investors' willingness to capitalize on both upward and downward movements. This trend may result in increased trading volumes and price volatility for SOXL. particularly as investors position themselves for potential rebounds. Recent assessments indicate that SOXL was previously undervalued, following a sharp decline of 62% from its 2024 high, due to concerns surrounding the artificial intelligence bubble and competitive pressures. Current low price-to-earnings growth ratios for major semiconductor stocks reveal an opportunity for significant upside. In the short term, heightened market interest and a recovery narrative could drive SOXL's price higher. Meanwhile, in the long run, fundamental improvements in the semiconductor sector will be crucial for sustained growth. Investors should monitor these dynamics closely, as they will influence SOXL's trajectory in the coming months. The following signals has been identified for SOXL. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, or MACD. Volume is rising along with the price, which is considered a positive technical indicator. However, some negative signals have also been issued and may influence near-term developments. The SOXL exchange-traded fund holds a buy signal from the short-term moving average. Concurrently, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this creates a general sell signal for the fund, suggesting a more negative outlook. Should the fund experience further gains, it will encounter resistance from the long-term moving average at $13.28. Conversely, if the fund declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $12.62. A breakout above the long-term average will generate another buy signal, while a drop below the short-term average will issue an additional sell signal and reinforce the overall negative signal. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Friday, May 2, 2025, and thus far, it has declined by 0.0752%. Further declines are anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Here are some additional signals that may capture your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots showed a sell signal 4 days ago. Bollinger generated a buy signal 97 days ago. The short-term moving average presented a buy signal 12 days ago. Conversely, the long-term moving average indicated a sell signal 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages produced a buy signal 52 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the following. The short moving average issued a buy signal 11 days ago. The long-term moving average continues to show a sell signal 54 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages provided a buy signal 189 days ago. For more signals, be sure to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $12.77, and this level may present a buying opportunity as an upward reaction can be expected when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility, and, with a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this ETF is regarded as very high risk. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $1.17 between its high and low, which is a change of 9.53%. For the past week, the ETF has recorded an average daily volatility of 6.61%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOXL. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOXL is at $13.29. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the exchange-traded fund, this may be a suitable point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOXL encounters its first support level at $12.77. If this support level holds, it could present a promising entry point, anticipating a rebound. This exchange-traded fund has received a negative evaluation, and a stop-loss has not been established. Is SOXL X ETF a good buy? Currently, SOXL presents several negative indicators, leading us to believe it will continue to perform poorly over the next few days or weeks. As a result, we maintain a negative assessment of this ETF. Upon examining the volatility and market movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 8th of May, we anticipate that SOXL will open lower by 312 one-thousandths of a dollar, starting trading at $12.97. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions solely on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day from all of us here at StockInvest.